I'm Gabe Garza with today's health news. Hearing crackling noises when knees bend might be startling, but these sounds can speak volumes when it comes to assessing injuries. A new project from the Georgia Institute of Technology seeks to develop a wearable knee band that could record the sounds joints make when in motion to determine the location of injury and recovery status. Those wearing the device would then know whether they are ready to use their knees again, such as when an athlete is waiting for a sprain to heal. Researchers at Georgia Tech who are creating the wearable device are using microphones and vibrating sensors to record sounds while knees are in motion, and then transferring data onto graphs. The researchers say these graphs could develop patterns for future research on joint injuries. For Daily RX, I'm Gabe Garza.